Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the class of YouTube advertising. My dear students, in today's class, we are going to discuss about one of the important social media that is all about YouTube. And today we are going to discuss about how to start a YouTube advertising campaign, how to advertise in YouTube. So we all are aware that in today's scenario, social media is playing a very important role, and presently the YouTube is also one of the influencing app, which again influences the customers to buy or sell the goods and services. So YouTube has been a very useful platform to the business people. And being a management student and being a marketing student, you all should understand about YouTube, how to advertise in YouTube, and what are the different advertisements which we go through in our day-to-day life in YouTube. So YouTube is again very influencing app. Anything which has a video content is very influencing. As we all know that YouTube is again, one second. Okay. YouTube is again one of the or part of a social media marketing. So we all know that video content is powerful because it attracts the customers. It conveys the exact message what they're trying to tell with the help of audio or with the help of video. So they have a message, they have a theme, and they use a right people. We call them as influencers. That is to influence the customers. That is to convey the message to their target customers. And YouTube alone has 2 billion users. So now you can analyze what an influencing application it is. So it is going to influence 2 billion users every day. And every day, the 2 billion people will watch videos in YouTube. And 2 billion is lot of amount. So it is again a huge number, correct? So this is all about YouTube. And what is there in YouTube? And we all are aware that today the youngsters between 15 to 20 and 15 to 25 are very much crazy about YouTube. And if you understand, there was a survey conducted in in United States of America. They came to know that YouTube is again one of the influencing app, wherein people starting from 18 years to 14 years, they view YouTube more than any other cable network. So today, there is no need of watching a television. You can go to YouTube and you can watch any news online. You can watch any program online. So there is a live streaming taking place in YouTube. You name any program, even right from sports to entertainment and movies, everything is available in YouTube. So that is the reason today why we are studying about YouTube as a part of our curriculum. So it is no wonder that video marketing is on the rise. So we all understand that again, video content is powerful and this video marketing is on the rise, and it was always influential. If you take a simple example of a video content, again, television advertisement was very much famous when we speak about traditional marketing, correct? So there are other forms of advertising. So even there is a print media, there is again radio, right? We have magazines, we have newspapers, so many things, but very much influential was again video content only, that is advertising through television. So now you all should understand that how video plays a very vital role, that is video content. I don't know how many of them remember the day when we were speaking about the different types of digital marketing. The first thing what we studied is all about content marketing. Do you remember, my dear students? I guess only Mr. Adam Sheri was there in that class. Do you remember, Mr. Adam? We have discussed the different types of digital marketing, and we have discussed the first one is content marketing. So now you all might have understood the importance of content, and today we are speaking about video content. If you are trying to know that how to tap into an awesome power of video marketing, then it will help you to understand that what is this YouTube and what is YouTube advertising. When it comes to YouTube advertising, it is done through Google Ads. So what is advertising? It is done through Google Ads and is a way of advertising your video content on YouTube. So whenever we speak about video content, we can even do it in the television. You can even do it in some other social media platforms, but YouTube, yes, very influential. Or in search results, you can maximize your user research. So there is a search button on YouTube, so you can easily search for the content, that is search for the video content, and this could be your video playing before a user views another video or showing up in YouTube search results for the people to watch in full. So that is nothing but advertisement which is done in the way, which is done with the help of YouTube. That is your video content on YouTube. And there are different types of YouTube ads. So generally there are 6 types of YouTube ads. So the first one is TrueView ad. The second one is non-skippable ad. That is non-skippable in-stream ads. The third one is bumper in-stream ads. The fourth one is sponsored card ads. The fifth one is overlay ads. And the last one is display ads. Now, my dear students, does anyone know any of these ads? Have you all come across any of these ads while watching a YouTube?
Yeah, I usually see them anyway.
Which one are you aware about, Mr.
Overlay. Yeah, I'm aware of these things. Whenever I open YouTube, I used to see them these things anyway.
Right. So you might have seen at least, or you might have come across few. Correct?
Yeah. Yes, true.
So which is the most known to everyone?
Display ads.
Display ads. Very good. Then non-skippable ads. Skippable ads. Have you seen an option called before playing a new video?
Yes.
Please go ahead, Mr. Sharif. You are telling something.
Yes. Non-skippable.
Have you seen that option called skip?
Yes, I've seen it. That's why I remember.
Right. So these all things are very much simple. We all have seen this in our day-to-day life. So now we are going to study about each and every ad in detail. The first one is YouTube True Ad. That is TrueView ad. So before you begin creating your first campaign, it is important to understand each and every YouTube ad and type. So the next step, what is the YouTube campaign? Okay. But before creating a YouTube campaign, first you should understand what are the different types of ads and which ad is suitable to your business. So that is the reason today why we are studying about these different types of ads. And the first one is YouTube TrueView ad. So can you see this picture, Mr. Sharif?
Yes, yes. Absolutely.
Right?
Mm.
So what you can find in this picture?
Skip ads.
Yes, there is an advertisement displayed and you have an option called skip. Correct?
Yes.
And this is the main format. This is the main advertising format on YouTube. And for that reason, we will covering this type in more depth than the others. And the first one is TrueView ads. Give viewers the most control over the advertisement. So first thing, what is the first thing? It gives control over the advertisements. To whom? To whom it is giving? It is to the viewers. Because of this, Google reports that 8 out of 10 viewers prefer TrueView to other in-stream video and other ad formats. So why many of them are preferring this? Why many of them are preferring this? Does anyone know?
No, not much.
No? Okay, fine, I'll explain you. See, TrueView ads are again great for businesses, true. So it is not only great for customers, it is also great for businesses. So advertisers only pay for TrueView ads when users watch for at least 30 seconds. So that is the first main advantage, or that is the first main positive point of this TrueView ads. See, that's why the previous sentence says that TrueView ads are great for businesses. And whenever we find the skip ad, my dear students, what is the first thing what we all do is skip the ad, correct?
Yes.
We don't watch the lengthy ad,
Yes.
correct? Because we don't have so much of time. The first one. Second one is I'm not interested to watch the advertisement about the product or services, or maybe the product or services is not useful to me. That is the reason I don't prefer to watch it. Right? Customers prefer to watch an entire when customers watch an entire short video or interact with an ad in some way, such as clicking on call to action. So when customers are watching this 30 seconds video, or when customers are using this, call to action is nothing but it is very simple. You are contacting the person, you are contacting the sponsor, you are contacting the company, or you are trying to purchase the goods and services. That is what we call it as call to action. Okay, and because viewers can select the ads they want to watch and skip the ads they don't. One second. Okay, and they don't. And advertisers save money while also reaching a more interested audience. So what is happening here? It is a two-way benefit. First benefit is to the customers. If you are interested, you can watch the ad, or if you are not interested, you can skip the ad. The first one. And the second one is the advertisers, they are also going to save the money. Right? When they are going to pay the money to the YouTube is when customers watch this 30 seconds video completely. If they are not watching, the business will not pay to, the advertiser will not pay to the YouTube. That's why it is a benefit to both of them. And YouTube states that the maximum length a TrueView ad can be is 6 minutes and the minimum is 12 seconds. So what is the maximum time? It is 6 minutes. And what is the minimum is? 12 seconds. So now, when I speak about TrueView ads, my dear students, there are two different types. The first one is in-stream ads and discovery ads. So now, under TrueView ads, we are going to study about in-stream ads and discovery ads. Now, my dear students, you all understood what is TrueView ads? Yes?
Yes.
TrueView. What do you mean by this word? Forget about ads.
True means real.
TrueView. Who is really interested to view your advertisement?
Yeah.
He is your target customer. And when someone really views your ad for next 30 seconds, then only the business will pay to the YouTube. That is the simple meaning. Yes, got it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now the first one, that is TrueView in-stream ads. TrueView in-stream ads play before a viewer's chosen video. Now I want to play a video in YouTube. What I do is I go and search it in search bar. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, I want to I want to see a video about anything about any class related, or I want to see a video about a place. So before your video starts, an advertisement streams. Can you see this red marks here?
Yes, ads.
So there are two red marks here. The first one is, you can see an arrow which is pointing towards a skip ad, and the second one is unbounce.com. So what is this all about? So this is all about the company. You're understanding?
Yes, yes.
So this is a picture of TrueView in-stream ads. You got my point? What is TrueView in-stream ads?
Yes.
It is an advertisement before, it is an advertisement played before a viewer's chosen video. So now you have an option to complete the advertisement and find out who is or what is that advertisement all about. That advertisement is all about workshop digital case study by Unbounce. So that is can you see this red square here?
Yes.
So this speaks about the sponsor or by the company. And the second one is, you have a skip ad. You can either see it or you can skip it. If the customer completely watch it, then the advertiser need to pay it to YouTube. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. The next one is again the same. This TrueView stream ads also feature a small countdown timer and the link to the advertised site in the bottom left of the screen. So can you see this? Can you see this bottom left?
Yeah, that one you said sponsor, right?
Yes. So what it is doing, it is again giving a link to the advertised site in the bottom left of the screen. That is, it is meant by. Is it clear now? What is this red mark all about?
Yes.
Okay. And next one is, what is more in TrueView? It has a companion barrier ad that is again displayed in the right hand sidebar above the suggested video list. Now, can you see this picture?
Yes.
So there is a video of 4 minutes 20 seconds. Can you see my arrow here?
Yes.
And there is another video which is accompanying it. Then again, after completing this, you will start this video immediately. That is again, which is of 5 minutes 58 seconds. Correct? You got this?
Yes, yes.
So we call it as the companion banner, and the image below shows the companion ad for the Unbounce advertisement above. Now you can see this Unbounce, this company called Unbounce advertisement. It asks you to subscribe. Okay, and marketers are able to customize TrueView in stream ads with calls to action and text overlays. So this is nothing but again, you are asking the customers to take action. Now I'll tell you what is this call to take action. Now can you see this word called visit advertiser's site? Are you able to see this, Mr. Sharif?
Yes, I can see it.
So what it is asking you? What this?
Yes. The sponsor's advertising site.
So if you are interested, you can visit the advertiser's site. That is nothing but it is calling you to take action. Action is nothing but viewing the advertiser's site and purchase if the goods and services are necessary. So that is what we call it as calls to action. Clear?
Yes, clear.
So this is what we call it as TrueView